And now, the general weather around Alaska.
Starting off with a hazardous weather graphic, we've got flood watches continuing out here for the northern panhandle due to rain, and those will stay out tonight or until the rain stops falling there. And again, that's over the northern southeast coast. Not enough rain down south for any flood watches there. And looking at fire danger, got quite an area of high fire danger up there over the northeast interior. And then a narrow band of very high fire danger on the lee side of the eastern Alaska Range. And then the central Copper River Basin, some more high fire danger, but otherwise blue still the dominating color on this graphic. And for satellite imagery, you can see front pushing into the southeast coast. And right there, that brought some moderate amounts of rain to the panhandle today, anywhere from a quarter to 3/4 of an inch, again in the 12-hour period, ending at about 2 or 3 this afternoon. On the chart here, there's that low developing along this slow-moving frontal boundary, but as this low pulls northward, that's kicking the front inland there. So light rain over the southern panhandle, more moderate rain over the northern southeast coast, and then most of the moisture off into Canada with the frontal boundary onto the north there, and just some scattered and isolated showers over the east side. Western part of the state, cool, showery with areas of light rain, cloudy skies from the western Arctic coast all the way down into Bristol Bay. Isolated showers over Kodiak Island, some sun breaks over Cook Inlet today with some scattered showers over the Kenai Peninsula into Prince William Sound. Then the showers scatter out here back along the southwest coast. High pressure, light winds, dry conditions. A lot of low clouds and fog over the Aleutians here. Some clearing seen on satellite over the just north of the Adak-Atka area, and then had some sunshine today over the eastern Aleutians. And for tonight, not much change out this way. Maybe some light rain, fog, and drizzle in the central Aleutians with a weak disturbance there. Otherwise, a lot of low clouds, widespread IFR with light winds over all of the Bering Sea, right up toward the Bering Strait. Low here over the Kotzebue Sound area, producing an area of light rain for the western Arctic coast down into the Seward Peninsula with showers over the Yukon Delta. Maybe a dry night for the Kuskokwim Delta, and should stay dry for the Alaska Peninsula. A risk of an isolated shower or two on the Bering Sea side of the peninsula there. Isolated showers Bristol Bay. Scattered showers south central Alaska, actually across all of southern Alaska. Some scattered showers, mostly cloudy skies. Areas of light rain, though, southern Kenai Peninsula and Prince William Sound. A little bit of moisture circulating back up into the coastline in that area during the overnight period tonight, and then rain changing to showers over the southeast coast as that front breaks up. But this moisture here tomorrow streams northward, and we're going to see an increase in the rain again over the southeast coastal areas. Otherwise, cloudy with showers in the interior. Temperatures still cool. Some lower 70s showing up over the Yukon Flats area. North Slope Arctic coast mostly dry, isolated to scattered showers in the Brooks Range. Low pressure here over the southwest interior areas or in the western part of the state, producing an area of light rain and showers and keeping the temperatures chilly and below normal here from Selawik-Kobuk Valley southward into the Kuskokwim Valley. Scattered showers for Bristol Bay, and again, isolated showers possible for Kodiak Island, and another trough kind of enhancing the showers tomorrow over south central Alaska. So look for cloudy areas of light rain and showers at times. Highs only in the mid to upper 50s again, down a little bit from today. And the Bering Sea, no change. Weak high pressure out there making for light winds, dry conditions, and a lot of low clouds and fog with, again, widespread IFR. And for the day on Wednesday, high pressure continues to control the Bering Sea out here as well as the Aleutians, keeping winds on the light side. Should see a little bit of an increase in the winds with that next system just coming onto the edge of the chart there way out west. Otherwise, not much change, at least through Wednesday. Trough with clouds, light rain here across the Kuskokwim Valley up into the eastern interior from the Copper River Basin, Upper Tanana Valley area, and scattered showers back to the west. Chance of rain for the Arctic coast into the western North Slope, and Back to more rain for the southeast coast, kind of persistent light rain there, maybe moderate at times, but definitely staying in a wet weather pattern there across the southeast coast as well as much in mainland Alaska. And for the lows tonight, 30s for the Arctic coast and western North Slope area, actually all the way down to St. Lawrence Island, lows in the 30s, and otherwise 40s for the remainder of the state. Panhandle, mid to upper 50s for the overnight lows. Highs tomorrow, lower 70s, Yukon Flats back down toward Eagle, otherwise in the 50s and 60s. 30s, 40s, and 50s to lower 60s for the North Slope and the Arctic coast, and 60 to 65 for the Panhandle. Highs again staying in the 50s tomorrow with a better chance of rainfall here, especially over south central Alaska. And then the lows, 40s to near 50 over much of mainland Alaska, north of the Brooks Range though in the 30s, and lower to mid 50s for the southeast coast, and 40s for the Aleutians. Highs on Wednesday, lower 70s again in the Yukon Flats, otherwise everywhere else in the 60s or upper 50s to lower 60s. Southeast coast here, Haines may reach 70, otherwise you're looking at temperatures down there in the 60s.